Good afternoon, friends. So, today we are going to talk about acne vulgaris. I told you there are so many medicines and which plays a very important role in acne vulgaris, acne rosacea. There are various types of pimples which are there in a puberty to menopausal age, and we have to think of that particular medicine, especially which medicines are used in acne vulgaris or in case of pimples. Any age patient can come to you and you can treat them very nicely with homeopathy, because I have already seen in allopathy those people are giving only and only antibiotic for any type of acne. They are giving something for application, they are giving some cleanser, they are suggesting some treatments like chemical peels and all those things. But in our homeopathy, internal medication plays a very important role, as well as in case of hormonal imbalance, if acne are there, if the acne are related with the menstrual cycle, we are giving very good result by our homeopathy. So we are going to discuss today about acne vulgaris, acne rosacea, acne simplex, and which are the commonest medicine we can use in our homeopathy. So number one medicine I am going to discuss from my notes. I am having my notes. I am going to share it with you also. So number one medicine which we are giving for acne is Antim crudum. Okay, you all are knowing Antim crude medicine, especially acne on face, acne on shoulders, as well as the patient who are having indigestion problem. Their digestive system is not working properly, as well as they are having a dry skin. So you have to look first of all which type of skin is that, whether it is a oily skin, whether it is a mixture or a medium, not so oily, not so dry, or whether it is a dry skin. So the patient who are having dry skin, as well as the patient who are having digestion problem, as well as the patient who are having acne on face as well as on shoulder, especially a fat person, we can think of Antim crudum. Okay, the next thing is the Ars brom. This is again one of the best medicine which plays a very important role in acne vulgaris. The Ars brom, arsenicum and bromatum, both the combinations are there in this remedy. Acne rosacea में बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं, as well as वायलेंट पैप्यूल्स. ओके, वायलेट कलर के पैप्यूल्स रहते हैं, रोजासिया रहते हैं. सी रोजासिया मीन्स सम पिंकिश कलर. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर यू सम पिक्चर्स ऑल्सो on which you are going to make a clear cut idea about acne rosacea, acne vulgaris and acne simplex also. So here acne rosacea means पूरा फेस रेडिश हो जाता है, रेडिश रोजासिया कलर आता है, as well as पर्पलिश और वायलेट कलर दिखता है चेहरे पे. In that case we can think of Ars brom. Okay, worse in the spring season. कि स्प्रिंग सीजन में उनके प्रॉब्लम ज्यादातर बढ़ते हैं. पिंपल्स ऑन फेस, नोज, अपर लिप्स, एज वेल एज चीन ऑफ द यंग गर्ल. ओके, चीन के ऊपर या फिर अपर लिप्स के ऊपर या फिर फेस नोज के ऊपर एक्ने रहते हैं. अर्स ब्रोम इज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेडिसिन फॉर दैट. Arsenicum album and Hiparsulf plays a very important role if you are giving alternately one day Arsulf and one day Hiparsulf. If the acne are with the full of pus, the Arsulf and Hiparsulf, both the things we can give alternately for 3 to 4 days, and later on you can give Saccharum lactose, which gives a really very good result in case of acne vulgaris. Okay, so many acnes if they are on the face as well as neck as well as on the back, you can think of these two medicines simultaneously, alternately you can think of for your patient. The next thing is Asteria rubens. I hope you all are remembering. Asteria rubens is the medicine which has been prepared from the starfish. Okay, so starfish अगर आपने देखा होगा तो starfish के ऊपर ऐसे छोटे छोटे papules, blackheads दिखते हैं, and that is why this is one of the best medicine for acne, reddish pimple, which is red pimple of the side of the nose and the chin as well as on the mouth. Next most important medicine is a Berberis equifolium. So Berberis equifolium you can give in 30th potency, as well as you can give it in a mother tincture. If you are repeating that mother tincture for 15 to 20 days, you will get a very good result for acne, as well as the dark spot of acne. It may get shed off within few months because of our Berberis aquifolium, very good medicine for acne, as well as the bad effect of acne, as well as the dark spot which remain after acne. The next thing is the Calcarea Fos 66. Acne in anemic girl, especially at the age of puberty and with the menstrual irregularities. Calcarea Fos, I told you this is the best medicine for pubertal changes, as well as in girls who are having anemia, and in that particular age, anemic girl, Calcarea Fos plays a very important role. And Calcarea Fos 66, this is a biochemic medicine, so we can give in a repetition, and it gives a very good result. Then Calcarea Sulph, the acne which are having a red color, as well as some pus is there inside, and we can think of the acne around the ear, we can think of this Calcarea Sulph, and discharging a yellowish secretion, yellowish pus, Calcarea Sulph. Okay, then next thing is a Eugenia jambolicum. Eugenia, Eugenia. Eugenia jambolicum is one of the best medicine in case of painful and indurated acne with a painful blackheads. Okay, pimples which are rosy with a rosy skin and blackheads are there. You have to think of Eugenia jambolicum. Okay, so on the side of nose, chin, mouth, in all ages. स्पेशली ये इसमें जो एक्ने रहता है वो पेनफुल रहते हैं, इंड्यूरेटेड रहते हैं एंड ब्लैक हेड्स रहते हैं, तो यूजेनिया जैम्बोलिकम इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेडिसिन फॉर दैट. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द जुगुलेंस रेगिया. जुगुलेंस रेगिया, ब्लैक हेड एंड एक्ने ऑन द फेस with a red pustule. Okay, reddish pustule रहते हैं and blackhead again. These two medicines are useful for blackheads. Eugenia jambolicum and this thing Jugulant regia. The next thing is a Calibrome. This is again one of the best medicine in case of itchy papules or pimples on the face, chest, shoulders, and blackheads are also there, pustules are also there. All the combination type of acne are there on the face as well as on the back as well as on the chest. You can think of Calibromaticum, and which are relieving some scars also, and to relieve that scar we can think of Calibrome as well as a Copaiba. Copaiba is also one of the best medicine in case of bad effect of acne, and after acne has got healed but the scar remaining, we can think of Theocynimum as well as Copaiba. Okay, so Copaiba is one of the best medicine, as well as in case of रेड पिंपल्स स्पेशली ऑन द फोरहेड के ऊपर बारीक बारीक छोटे छोटे दाने के जैसे एक्ने रहते हैं, वी कैन थिंक ऑफ लेडम पाल इन दैट केस. लेडम पाल प्लेज वेरी गुड रिजल्ट in this case. Then next one is a radium brome, pulsatilla, and so many medicines are there. One more formula I am going to tell you today for acne patient. You can think of, you are going to prepare one lotion which I am preparing and giving to my patients, and which gives a very good result. That lotion is nothing but you have to take 20 ml of Berberis aquifolium mother tincture, 20 ml of ledum pal mother tincture, and 20 ml of echinacea mother tincture. These three things, 20 ml, or you can take a 20 drops, and you have to mix it, these all things, with a glycerin, and you can give it for application on the face, as well as whenever you are giving this mother tincture internally also with external application, it gives a very good result in case of acne vulgaris. So this is one of the solution or lotion we are preparing at our level, in our clinic level, then we can give it to our patient. Then one more formula we can prepare here for acne, that is silicia, sulfur, and carbovage. Three things in the 6x potency: silicia 6x, sulfur 6x, and carbovage 6x. These three things, just mix it together and one dose thrice डेली, सुबह दोपहर में और शाम को 3 टाइम ये डोज देना है आपको. यू कैन डू वन थिंग, सिलिशिया, सल्फर एंड कार्बोवेज, तीनों थिंग्स आप एक ग्लोबल भरे बॉटल में, तीनों मेडिसिन एक ही बॉटल में डाल के सुबह दोपहर शाम को पेशेंट को यू कैन गिव इट 3 TDS, 3 times a day for 8 to 15 days, and it is going to heal your acne. This is one of the best formula what we are using in our practice, and which gives a very good result. I am running my cosmetic clinic also, and I am getting a very good result with all those things. Then disfiguring of face, फेस पूरा डिसफिगर हो गया है, स्कार हो गए हैं, बहुत ज्यादा दाग रह गए हैं, तो आई टोल्ड यू कोपाइवा ऑफिसिनालिस इज द बेस्ट मेडिसिन फॉर दैट. यू कैन थिंक ऑफ कोपाइवा ऑफिसिनालिस 30 BD फॉर एटलीस्ट 15 days. You have to repeat here. Then that's all for acne vulgaris and rosacea. अगर बैक पे एक्ने है तो आप कैलकेरिया सल्फ 12x दे सकते हैं. बैक मतलब पीठ के ऊपर पूरे एक्ने से भरी हुई पीठ है, तो यू कैन थिंक ऑफ कैलकेरिया सल्फ 12x as well as Silicea 12x, and it gives a very good result. Along with some constitutional medicine, if you are giving, you will see a marvelous result. So constitutional medicines plays a very important role along with these all tips, clinical tips. Thank you so much.